This video will show you how to install a Sullivan on Comp icon on your desktop if you have been sent a zip file for that purpose. Now this demo assumes that you have administrator rights to the PC that you're installing the icon on. And in a lot of corporate environments, that's not always the case. So if you don't have sufficient permissions, you'll need to work with someone in your IT function to proceed. So you've been sent the file and you've downloaded it. It's in your download folder. Double-click the zip file and look for the file that is called command.bat. Double-click that, and you'll be offered the opportunity to extract it, extract all. And it doesn't matter where you save it, so go ahead and save that. And now you've opened the folder, and again, look for the command.bat file and double-click it. This will put your Sullivan on Comp icon on your desktop. It also gives you a status window, which you can resolve by pressing any key, and it will go away. You can delete the files from your computer that we sent you if you want to keep things nice and clean. The icon is now on your desktop. Double click it. This is the login screen. If you already have an account with Sullivan on Comp, if you're already a registered user, enter your email address and you'll be admitted to Sullivan on Comp. If you don't already have an account with Sullivan on Comp, the starting point's the same. Double-click the icon. When you get to the email entry box, you'll be entering a new email address we've never seen before. And because we've never seen you before, we'll ask you to fill out your name and work information. And then when you've completed the form, clicking everything looks good will admit you to the website. If you have any questions, shoot us an email or give us a call. support@sullivanoncomp.com. The phone number's 1-866-458-8762.